Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, the last video I posted about Dubois, most people are confused on the specific shop. Now I just want to make it clear. The name of the shop is Kingdom Beauty and Cosmetics Shop, and it's located at Dubois Road, St. Bakita building, shop number 8. I'm going to leave all the details on the description box and the contacts of the shop, so that you can reach out and also maybe ask for directions in case you want to buy here. On this particular day, I was looking for a facial steamer and I was so lucky to find it at the shop, and here she was showing me how it works, and also I really wanted to test so that I can know whether it's working or not. Before you buy anything at Dubois, just ask them, request them to test so that you can really know if it's working or not, because most of these things don't guarantee or they don't give you a warranty. The facial machine was working really well, as you can see, and I was contented. I paid, this was 2,000 shillings. Yeah, I'm going to make a separate video of the stuff that I bought from this specific shop. I can recommend things that they sell at least. Sorry for the background noise. You can see at the background they have very good stuff, buffers, nail glue. I'm going to show you a specific nail glue which I normally use. Yeah, and now after testing, it was good and I was happy. I paid for it. So they have this nice stuff. Like I was saying, this is the gel polish which I normally use. Its name is Gelish. So nice, and they normally sell them at 500 shillings. If you buy into large quantities, they are selling them at 400. The blue container glue is the one which I normally use. Stick on, and they stick well, they don't come out fast. As you can see, these are the specific one. The blue container glue, take a note of that. Those are the ones which I normally use. For the buffers, they have all sorts of buffers. They sell them, the smaller ones at 30 bob and others 80 bob and 50 bob. They sell stick-ons at 30 bob, but if you're buying it a full set, they sell at 350 shillings. So these are just skincare products. I don't normally use skincare products from Dubois, so I'll skip that. Like I mentioned before, they have very nice quality machines for hair, flat iron, tongs, and also they have blow dryer, hair dryer. These are beauty blenders. They were selling them at 150 and 100 bob each. Yeah, if you're going to buy a set, I think it's around 600 shillings. This particular hair straightener is going for 2,000 shillings, but I did not pick it up because I already have one. And the nails were going for 350 for that whole set. For the buffers, like the one which I'm holding is 70 bob, and the other one 70 bob. That marks the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a wonderful time.